Hey friends, welcome to the YouTube channel All About Electronics. So in this question, we have been given this night lamp circuit, and for the given circuit, we have been asked to find the power which is getting dissipated across the lamp. So first of all, let us understand the working of the given circuit. So in the daylight, when the light falls on this light sensor, then this light sensor conducts very heavily and it offers very low resistance. That means in the daylight, the voltage between the gate and the source of this MOSFET will be approximately equal to 0. So in this condition, the MOSFET will act as an open circuit and no current will flow through the lamp. Now at the night, when the light is very low, then the light sensor will act as an open circuit. And in this condition, the voltage between the gate and the source will get decided by this voltage divider. So in this condition, some voltage will appear between the gate and the source of this MOSFET, and because of that, it will act as a closed circuit. And in this condition, the current will start flowing through the lamp. And in this way, this lamp will provide the light in the night. So here, we have been asked to find the power which is getting dissipated across this lamp. Now ideally, when this MOSFET conducts, then it should act like a closed switch. But actually in the on condition, it will provide some series resistance, and this series resistance is known as the RDS on. So to find this series resistance, we have been given the MOSFET curves. So from this we can find the series resistance. Now if you are aware, when the MOSFET is used as a switch, then it is used in this linear region, and the slope of this curve can give us the series resistance. So here we have been given the value of the test voltage and the test current for the particular value of the VGS. That means whenever the VGS is equal to 5 volt, then some test current ID is equal to 2 ampere, while the test voltage VDS is equal to 3 volt. And the ratio of this voltage and the current can give us the series resistance. That means whenever this VGS is equal to 5 volt, at that time this RDS on is equal to VDS divided by ID, that is equal to 3 volt divided by 2 ampere, that is equal to 1.5 ohm. Now if you see over here, when the light sensor acts as an open circuit, then the voltage between the gate and the source terminal is equal to 5 volt, because the voltage at this terminal is equal to R divided by R plus 3R times 20 volt. That means voltage VGS is equal to 5 volt. And when this VGS is equal to 5 volt, then the MOSFET will act as a closed switch and it will offer a series resistance of 1.5 ohm. So in the on condition, if we see the equivalent circuit, then it will look like this. So in this condition, the current through the lamp, that is I, is equal to 20 volt divided by 20 ohm plus RDS on. And this RDS on is equal to 1.5 ohm. That means the current through the lamp is equal to 20 volt divided by 20 ohm plus 1.5 ohm. That is equal to 0.93 ampere. And the power which is getting dissipated across the lamp is equal to I square times the impedance of this lamp, that is equal to 20 ohm. That means the power which is getting dissipated across the lamp is equal to 0.93 ampere square times 20 ohm, that is equal to 17.3 watt. That means at the night, when the MOSFET conducts, then the power which is getting dissipated across the lamp is equal to 17.3 watt. And hence, for the given question, the answer is 17.3 watt.